For 7 years, I faced the same problems every facility manager does until we have created a solution. Hi, my name is Dražen, and in the next few minutes, I will show you how Wowflow can help you solve your biggest challenges as a facility manager. As a former facility manager myself, the biggest issue for me was getting multiple requests over multiple channels, having and finding to find the time to structure them properly and assign them. Getting a regular status update was very, very hard and a lot of time effort. Now, everything gets much easier with Wowflow. In Wowflow, all your building parts are getting a unique link or ID per email or even per QR code. So all of your colleagues, customers, depending who you want to provide this service, can now submit to you a request over a very structured way. Just by scanning the QR codes, you are opening a portal to your colleagues or customers to send you a request, and this form you can decide how to structure the best way you need, so every issue you get is streamlined and has an information you need. Now we are getting to the better part. In one glance, at one spot, you have all your requests submitted, meaning you and your colleagues, especially co-workers in facility management, now are looking at the same source of truth. There is no need to circle different emails around. You see all the same information, the same comments, and the same status update. You are now just one click away to assign this issue to your external colleagues from facility managers or technicians or to external service companies per email. They will get a link, or they just need to answer the email over the email integration with documents and information, and everything comes back in Wowflow, meaning it's done. If something is done in the right way and you want more information about it, for example, a report or something or a certain evidence, you are just also one click away here to export it as a PDF, and just by having it and integrating it into your ERP system, all the documentation of the work is also summarized and done. When it comes to the regular maintenance intervals, in Wowflow you have a very intuitive yearly overview of your and calendar of your maintenance schedules, and the same also with the issues. You are one click away to see what is the latest status updates of this regular maintenance interval, and you see them in a traffic light system if they are not done or not. Now also applies for the same information when it comes to the regular maintenance intervals. So here is a typical generator of the intervals, and by adjusting them, all the schedules automatically being updated for you, and you do not have to touch them again. When it comes to the better information of your assets, you have in the mobile application as well on the desktop the possibility to constantly update them even when you are in front of your asset, and then submit the information the way you need it. You have so-called digital asset booklet in the mobile application. And when it comes to the equipment, you do not need to track them manually where they are. When you issue them to your external company or internal colleague, Wowflow will take over all the updates for you and take over the reminders when it needs to be given back. So, if you're really thinking about saving up to 90% of your time in facility management and implementing such help as Wowflow in 8 weeks, feel free to test it out for yourself. Start for free, for the free trial, and ask us any questions you might have.